I have no idea where he is. I hope that he's safe, and I hope to speak to him very soon.
Even defense attorney Joseph Murtha was caught off guard by Roy McGrath's no-show. The 53-year-old former Hogan administration appointee did not appear in federal court this morning, where his criminal trial on fraud and theft charges was scheduled to get underway. The judge, the attorneys, the jury pool waited for several hours until the court called it. The judge issued an arrest warrant. The jury was excused, and Mr. Murtha told reporters efforts at wellness checks were underway.
Those are the things that are taking place right now to follow up and make a determination of where is he and how is he.
Roy McGrath is accused of using his position in Maryland state government to steal hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxpayer funds, including giving himself a massive and bogus severance payout when he left one high-level post to become chief of staff to former Governor Larry Hogan. And the feds say when McGrath got caught, he forged documents to make it all look legit and to make it look like Hogan approved.
I'm concerned about Roy. I hope that he's safe.
Murtha said he last spoke with his client late yesterday afternoon and was looking forward to seeing him here in person at 8:45 a.m.
I know that these situations are very stressful. The uncertainty of going to trial can cause people to do things that we may not believe are appropriate. But most importantly, I hope that he's safe.
McGrath was released pending trial to his residence in Naples, Florida. We reached out to the sheriff's office there to ask about Mr. McGrath, and we got this quote in response. Deputies did conduct a welfare check at his address around 10:25 this morning. Mr. McGrath was not there, and the sheriff's office says we have not been asked to assist with any warrant. Outside federal court downtown, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.